Words of Sri Aurobindo from the book The Mother with Letters on the Mother by Our Lord. Part 2, Letters on the Mother. Chapter 3, Aspects and Powers of the Mother. Page 67. Topic, The Mother and the Lower Prakriti. It is a mistake to identify the mother with the lower Prakriti and its mechanism of forces. Prakriti here is a mechanism only which has been put forth for the working of the evolutionary ignorance. As the ignorant mental, vital, or physical being is not itself the divine, although it comes from the divine, so the mechanism of Prakriti is not the Divine Mother. No doubt something of her is there in and behind this mechanism, maintaining it for the evolutionary purpose. But what she is in herself is not a Shakti of Avidya, but the divine consciousness, power, light, Para-Prakriti, to whom we turn for release and the divine fulfillment. Next topic, the cosmic force of ignorance and the Divine Mother. There is this much truth that the cosmic force works out everything and the cosmic spirit, Virat Purusha, supports her action. The cosmic force is a power that works under the conditions of the ignorance. It appears as the lower nature, and the lower nature makes you do wrong things. The divine allows the play of these forces so long as you do not yourself want anything better. But if you are a sadhak, then you do not accept the play of the lower nature. You turn to the Divine Mother instead and ask her to work through you instead of the lower nature. It is only when you have turned entirely in every part of your being to the Divine Mother and to her alone that the divine will do all actions through you. Next topic, Saguna and Nirguna Ishvara and the Mother. Sri Aurobindo says, Nirguna and Saguna are only aspects taken by the divine in the manifestation. It is the mother who manifests. Creation is only manifestation. The Saguna or the Nirguna Ishvara. Dated 28/6/1933.